Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to hide your account based on Instagram. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your Instagram account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and the profile page will open up. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and you will see an About feature under the More Info header. Tap on that to access the About Your Account section. Here, you will see an option to toggle off the Based In feature. Simply turn this off and your account's based in location will be hidden from your Instagram profile. It is currently not showing in my app, but it will look something like this, so make sure to toggle it off. So that's basically how you can hide your accounts based in location on Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.